Hello, Pastor Warren. I, Juan Pablo, come to greet you with my friend, Spider-Man.
What's up?
Together, we come to tell you, happy birthday. Felicidades. Fiesta. It's a party. You are 1 year older, but also 1 year wiser. 1 year stronger. And so, from our corazones, we want to dedicate a special especial for you, a song from our hearts to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.